Is it time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we will explore CrowdStrike in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies across the globe today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 16th of August, 2024, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.88. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a considerably broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines within this trend. The present 3-month trend forecasts a possible decline of approximately 29% over the coming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between -47% and -12%. Regarding the 12-month outlook, it points to a potential change of 85.5% over the next year, with possible returns varying between 59 and 3700% and 194 and 9500%. This would correspond to a price range of $418.40 to $774.35 after a year. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike includes the headline, CrowdStrike stock downgraded to sell candidate. The CrowdStrike stock price increased by approximately 0.787% on the last trading day, Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, rising from $260.49 to $262.54. It has now risen for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to climb or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 1.86%, with a low of $257.85 and a high of $262.64. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.49% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $878.06 million. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $398.30. while the lowest price was $140.52. Currently, the stock price is 34.08%, or $135.76, below the 52-week high of $398.30, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments regarding CrowdStrike Holdings Incorporated, or CRWD, have raised significant concerns among investors. On the 16th of August, 2024, multiple law firms announced class action lawsuits against the company based on allegations of securities fraud related to trading practices between the 29th of November, 2023 and the 29th of July, 2024. These lawsuits highlight potential violations of key provisions of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. The immediate impact of this news could lead to increased sell-offs as investors react to uncertainties regarding the company's legal risks. A class action can draw scrutiny and tarnish public perception, potentially causing stock volatility in the short term. If claimants succeed in establishing the alleged misconduct, CrowdStrike may face noteworthy financial liabilities, further burdening its stock price. In the long term, the outcome of these lawsuits will be pivotal. A resolution in favor of the plaintiffs could lead to a decline in investor confidence, ultimately affecting the company's market capitalization and growth prospects. Conversely, if CrowdStrike prevails, it could restore some stability, potentially allowing the stock to rebound. Investors should closely monitor these legal proceedings and consider the potential implications on their investments in CRWD. The upcoming deadline for lead plaintiffs on the 30th of September, 2024, is crucial, as it could catalyze market movements based on the evolving narrative of the company's legal challenges. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of August, 2024, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned CRWD a sector perform rating, recommending a hold action. On the same day, Citigroup also provided a rating for CRWD, giving it a buy grade while suggesting a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, Piper Sandler rated CRWD as overweight and recommended a hold action. On that same Tuesday, BMO Capital rated CRWD as market perform with a suggestion to hold. Additionally, on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, Needham provided a neutral rating for CRWD, also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned CrowdStrike stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for CrowdStrike. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by approximately 20.49%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Despite the increase in prices, volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. While the CrowdStrike stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Because the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. If further gains occur, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $299.42. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $249.73. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger an additional buy signal, while a dip below the short-term average would reinforce the existing sell signal and strengthen the overall negative forecast. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike finds support from accumulated volume at $258.14. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, and with a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.79 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 1.86%. In the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock was 2.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock might be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 28th of August, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 98 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $263.91. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike encounters its first support level at $258.14. If this support level holds, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Henry Shawn executed an insider sale of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George executed an insider sale of 60,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the same day, Kurtz George also executed an insider sale of 40,000 shares of Class B common stock. Additionally, on the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George conducted an insider purchase of 60,000 shares of Class A common stock. On that day, Kurtz George further purchased 40,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've observed that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.677. In total, insiders acquired 382,916 shares, while selling 574,529 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? CrowdStrike presents several concerning signals, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, August 19th, we expect CrowdStrike to open lower by $1.53, starting at $261.01. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.